Hello, you're watching The Market Bull. I'm Tyler Tully. Joining us today, we have Kalamazoo Resources CEO, Luke Mortimer. Luke, thank you for joining us.
Thank you for the invite. It's a pleasure to be here.
Kalamazoo have had some really exciting news in the recent months. Firstly, can you tell us about the Kali Lithium IPO and what this meant for your shareholders?
That was obviously a tremendous success. Kali Metals listed on January 8th. We originally wanted to raise 12 million, possibly up to 15 million. It was heavily subscribed. We got the full 15 million. MinRes has since come on as a major shareholder. But in terms of the shareholders, we actually retain 20% of Kali Metals. That equivalent at the moment is worth about the equivalent of our current market cap, which just goes to prove that we're quite undervalued at the moment. But also just through the in-species distribution that we gave back to the shareholders, as well as a priority entitlement. So all up, I think at the current market price, that's the equivalent of about over $16 million that's been returned really in shareholder value out of that quite successful IPO.
And you've recently announced an option deal with DeGrey Mining. Can you tell us a little bit more about this deal and what it involves?
Yeah, it's a deal that we've been working on for a while now. In February last year, we actually did an updated resource, which came in at about 1.44 million ounces at a very healthy 2.8 grams per tonne. Then we're obviously looking at our options to develop that further, and that's where DeGrey have come in. So we've just announced in the past week a deal where there's a $3 million option payment that has already been paid, and then in about 12 months' time, with possible extension out to 18 months. In that time, DeGrey will do some metallurgical test work and other studies, and if they execute that, there'll be another $30 million in payments over 2 tranches. So it's a deal that's worth another $33 million to the company.
Finally, what can shareholders take away from all of this news flow, and is there anything that they should expect for the rest of 2024?
Well, obviously we've just done 2 major deals. We're returning money back to the shareholders, and it really fits with our strategy of identifying projects where we think we can add value, doing the work, and then ultimately turning that into shareholder value. And whether we monetize those assets, find other partners, or simply go down a development route ourselves. But it's just all part of our strategy of getting quality projects, enhancing the value of those projects, and basically turning that into shareholder value.
Luke, thank you for joining us at The Market Bull.
Thank you very much.